You drive up to an estimate and there's 3 other painting trucks already there. The homeowner scheduled all the contractors to be there at once. What do? I'm Ron Ramsden, DYB coach, painting contractor for over 20 years. This has happened to me in the past, and at first I was nervous and I didn't like that. Well, as I grew as a contractor and instituted a few things into my business, things changed. Well, first of all, you have to pre-sell the project to the homeowner. You don't know there's got to be multiple painters there, so you want to, either way, you want to pre-sell the project to the homeowner by educating the homeowner. One of the things we did was we sent a video to the homeowner of what to expect at the estimate. And it was me in my living room just talking about some of the things we're going to go over for them to be prepared for. Another video or email you can send is questions to ask contractors. And then this will give the homeowner some things in the back of their head when they're either, unbeknownst to us, meeting with all of us at the same time or meeting with individual painting contractors, to ask questions. Insurances, warranties, references, how long you been in business, who's going to be walking through my house, things like that. Those are the questions you can put together. Love to share some with you. If you don't have any, you can just send a message in this at the bottom of this video. These are some of the things that when you get to the time for the proposal, the homeowner is going to know who you are because they've seen you in the videos, and he's going to be well prepared, and he's got to catch the other painting contractors or other contractors off guard because you've already given them the questions to ask. So then you're at the estimate. Maybe the homeowner wants to walk you all around this at the same time because he only has so much time, or he doesn't want to miss anything and tell someone apples when it's oranges. So everybody's actually bidding at the same time. So I'm always pleasant to all the other painting contractors, and generally I know most of them anyways because I've been around for so long. Never talk negative of the other contractors. Shake their hands, give them your cards, chat about something, whatever it may be. And then at the end of the walk around, ask the homeowner if I could have 5 minutes with them or she. And at this time, I'm going to take out my tablet. We're going to talk about open times if they decided to say yes, when they're ready to go forward. They already know us through the videos and questions we've already pre-sold them on. We're also going to open up our calendar and say, I just want to show you, this is the open times we have. And we've showed them all the video testimonials we have so they know how well we do and how much people don't like to talk on video, but they've left us these awesome video testimonials, and they might even know somebody. So we show them all these, and then we ask them, and if they're not ready at that time, we'll say, could I follow up? And you give them a date. Could I follow up on Thursday at 10 or 2? Which time would be better for me to call you? And they might say, they'll give you the time. And when you call them back, you're going to say, as promised, I wanted to follow up on my proposal. But also, in the meantime, as soon as we get out in the truck, we're going to send them a thank you card. Thank you for meeting with us today. I look forward to working with you in the future. Business card, thanks, Ron. And that's all you do. You write that out. Nobody else is doing this. Even if you do not win that project, they're going to remember you because you were different than everybody else. Anyways, when you show up at a job, a proposal, and there's other painting contractors, act like it's a great thing and not a bad thing. I'm Ron Ramsden. Please send some messages here and put your comments down in the message line. I'd love to read them. I'll respond. Talk to you soon. Please put any messages down there you'd like a video on. Thanks so much and have a great day.